I recently had a client come to me who had struggled for years with extreme vertigo, 5, 6 times a day, bad anxiety and panic attacks, OCD, sleep disturbances, borderline MS symptoms, and had gone to psychiatrists that put them on antipsychotic medication. They had gone to a therapist that told them it was just stress and anxiety. And then they went to a functional medicine doctor who told them it was just a micronutrient deficiency. And in spite of doing all of this, trying to follow the protocols, fix everything, seeing the therapist, doing all the work, nobody ever tested them for having an underlying root cause of mycotoxin issues and mold exposure. Now, with chronic ongoing infections like mold exposure or some of the co-infections that go with that, like autoimmune issues, Lyme, EBV reactivation, a lot of times these can mimic mental illness problems and mental health issues because they are neurotoxic and they infiltrate the blood-brain barrier. So that inflammation, when that toxicity gets in the brain, there's a lot of things that are happening here. Number one, inflammation creates a lot of that anxiety, panic attack, brain fog, I can't think straight. Number two, when you have something that's crossing the blood-brain barrier, you are automatically going to have cognitive issues. You're not thinking as clearly. You're feeling very like tired and wired, or like some of the ways my clients and I describe this is it almost feels like somebody's like shaking your head because there's so much toxicity going on. Those infections have to be treated at the root. And the way that we treat those at the root is we find out what the primary driver is. The body is very smart. The body will ignore the other things. So let's say you're having histamine intolerance. Let's say you're having chronic bloating. Let's say you're having fecal incontinence where you have these episodes of like adrenaline and diarrhea, things like that, or any of these other symptoms. The body is very smart and it goes after the primary driver being something like mold or Lyme. Even in both of those cases, the first thing you would take care of would be the mold. So in a lot of mental health issues, if we look at the underlying root cause, looking at the gut, looking at the toxic exposure, looking at environmental illness, things like that, what can be found, such as in my client's case, is their body has been fighting 24/7 an ongoing chronic infection, fungal, SIBO, bacterial, that is creating this systematic inflammation. And when we fix and detox and rebalance the body and fix that root cause, a lot of those mental health issues clear up too. I had this when I was dealing with mold toxicity and having unexplained anxiety, panic attacks, dizzy spells. A lot of my clients have similar things where they complain a lot about thoughts of despair, thoughts of like depression and suicide, even though they don't feel that way. And when we go looking at all the numbers and all the labs and we start running tests that other doctors haven't been running, I tell that the first thing they always say when they see the result is they're like, "So I'm not crazy." And I'm like, "No, you're not crazy." They're like, "Man, this whole time, the way I was feeling, I thought I was crazy because every single doctor and specialist was just giving me these protocols and nothing was fixing things." That there's almost this sense of like relief of, oh, there's an answer as to why I feel this way mentally. And it's not because I'm stressed and it's not because I can't handle life and I've lost my resilience. It's because there's something underneath the hood that nobody else is checking that is going on. So if any of this sounds familiar, if you have been dealing with things like anxiety, panic attacks, vertigo, brain fog, just not feeling like yourself, and you've seen all the specialists and tried all their protocols, but you're not getting any answers, the next thing I would recommend that you do is some mycotoxin testing to find out if you have an underlying environmental toxin that is disrupting your brain chemistry. That at-home test is in the description of this video. Or if you're like, I already know it's mold, I just don't know anybody who knows how to do anything about it, I would love to help you. And this is where you can book a one-on-one consultation where we'll do a deep dive, go through your whole health history, help you heal with a personalized protocol and get you back on your feet. But you don't have to deal with this. This is not something that you're just stuck with and you just have to manage for the rest of your life. There is an answer and there is a root cause behind your symptoms, and I would love to help you figure that out.